All right, to find the surface area of a cone, what you need to do, the formula is, and you will have this on your test, the formula for surface area of the cone is equal to, um, let's see, sorry, pi times the radius times the slant height, okay, then plus the area of the base. And the area of a base, area of a circle, is pi times the radius squared. So if I plug in all the numbers that I know, say pi times the radius of 7, the slant height of 27, plus pi times the radius of 7 squared. Okay? So I will calculate all this out. We will say 27 times 7 equals 189 pi, plus 7 squared is 49. So that's 49 pi. And we get as a total surface area 189 plus 49, or 238 pi centimeters squared. But they want it to the nearest tenth. They don't want it in terms of pi. And so that means that we need to take 238 and we need to multiply that by pi. And what we get is approximately 747.699 centimeters squared, which when we round that off, we're rounding to the nearest tenth. And so we're rounding to this place and we look one past it. We say that 9 there in the hundreds place, is that 5 or higher? It is 5 or higher, so that rounds that 6 up to a 7. And so what we get is the total surface area is approximately equal to 747.7 centimeters squared. And that becomes then the total surface area. And do we see that as an answer somewhere? We do. We see that as answer C. And that's how you solve that problem.